Once farmers select the GI pipe and wire rope Nethouse technology, we provide them with comprehensive guidance throughout the implementation process. Prepare field according to crop production requirements. If any of the field bunds are uneven or misaligned, we recommend straightening them to ensure proper field layout. Do not carry any land filling before foundation works. We design the Nethouse layout according to the farm's size. The grid spacing of 5 or 6 meter span is kept north to south direction, and 8 meter span is kept east to west direction. The field is marked according to the layout design. At a distance of 2.5 meters from side pole, anchor foundation pits of 0.45 meter by 0.45 meter are excavated in the field. Depth of pit is 1.5 meters in black soil, 1.2 meters in medium soil, and 1 meter in rocky areas. MS anchor is placed into excavated pit, and a holdfast is fixed at its bottom. The pit is filled with cement concrete and stones. For the outer pipes, foundation pits are excavated. J-pin is fixed 200 mm below and 100 mm above the ground level, and the pit is filled with cement concrete. Once foundation is finished, water it well for 10 days to strengthen it. While erecting Nethouse, place an circular base plate in the middle of the J-pin. 4 meters long C-class pipes are placed in the J-pins at all corner. And B-class pipes are placed along the periphery of Nethouse. Both outer pipes facing opposite each other are raised at the same time. All pipes used for the Nethouse are made from the galvanized iron process, and the wire ropes are made from galvanized iron hot deep steel core. Insert the top anchor pin into the top hole of the pipes. 6 mm wire rope used for the anchor is looped around the pipe and secured to the second anchor with a wire rope clamp. The opposite pole is also erected in the same way. After tensioning, fasten the wire rope with a wire rope clamp. After erecting all peripheral poles, the internal 4.5 meter long A-class poles are installed. While holding the pole near the upper wire rope crossing, a pit is excavated. Using a magnetic tube level, pole is erected and holdfast is inserted at its bottom hole. The pit is then completely filled with cement concrete. Once the upper structural frame is erected, at 2.5 meters from ground level, 5 mm wire rope is tensioned along the pipes to prevent pole bending at the midpoint. Lay 3 mm wire ropes along the shade net's direction to make net fitting easier. Shade nets are spread in 5 and 6 meter spans and fixed to the wire ropes with shade net fixing pins. Fix 5.2 meters wide insect net on the outer side with shade net fixing pins. Install 1.5 meter wide skirting paper at the bottom of the insect net. 1 foot of paper is buried into the ground. A pair of doors is installed, and an antechamber is created between the doors to enhance biosecurity. Upon completion of the Nethouse, farmers should prepare beds inside the Nethouse using a tractor and implement drip or sprinkler irrigation systems for efficient watering. Farmers can now plant crops inside the Nethouse.